Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English Together. I'm Ash.
And I am Nikki. Today's episode is very useful. We are talking about English conversation at the bank.
Yes, whether you are depositing money, withdrawing cash, opening an account, or updating documents, you need English at the bank.
And we will teach you slowly, clearly, and with fun examples.
Nikki, do you visit the bank often?
Not really. I try to do most things on online, but sometimes I have go to the bank, like for signatures or official work.
Oh, same. I prefer online banking too. But forms, oh my god, forms scare me.
I know, and sometimes the handwriting boxes are too small.
And they always write in block letters.
Okay, listeners, let's learn important words. We say each word slowly.
Yes, a place to keep your money in the bank. It's called account. Example of I want to open a new account.
Saving account, an account for saving money.
Yes, good. Next one, deposit. It means to put money into your account. Just example of I want to deposit $5,000.
Okay, Ash, withdraw, to take money out. For example, I want to withdraw rupees 2000.
Passbook. Passbook is important for us. Passbook means a small book that shows your transactions.
Check, a written paper that allows you to pay someone.
Yes, exactly. When I want money, I withdraw by check. Next one, forms. A paper you must fill for any request.
Okay, Ash, token, a small number slip to wait in line.
Yes, exactly. Next one, next vocabulary is queue. It means a line of people waiting.
And the last one, manager, the person who handles important work.
So guys, we practice some pronunciation. Please repeat after us slowly. First one, I want to deposit money.
Second one, I want to withdraw cash.
Third one, can you help me with this form?
Fourth one, I need to speak with the manager.
Yes, very good, Nikki. So, guys, you can also repeat and practice and tell in comment section. So, wow, Nikki, the bank is full today.
Yes, we should have come early. Look at the queue.
Yes. Okay. First step, take a token and we wait for queue. Okay. I got token number 45.
Mine is 46. We are always together.
Yes, good. At least we won't get bored. Next sentence is when we meet the security guard. Okay, I am a security guard says, good morning, ma'am. How may I help you?
Good morning. I want to open a new saving account.
And I need to update my phone number. So security says, please go to the help desk, counter number 1.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Now we role play as a help desk conversation. Okay. Hello, ma'am. I want to open a new saving account.
Sure, sir. Do you have ID and address proof?
Yes, I have my passport.
Great. Please fill this account opening form and please attach two passport size photos.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I want to change my phone number linked to my account.
okay, you need to fill a customer request form. Please write your old number and add your new number.
All right. Do you need my ID also?
Yes, please attach a photocopy of your Aadhaar.
Sure. Thank you. Now we filling the form. The form is bigger than my notebook.
I know these form make me feel like I'm giving an exam.
Look, Nikki, name, address, signature, and PAN number.
Take your time, breathe, you can do it.
Yes, I can do it. Now, guys, please sentence listen carefully. This is the useful sentence for our bank conversation. Okay, listeners, let's learn sentences you can use at a bank.
For account opening, first one, I want to open a saving account. Second one, what documents do I need? And third one, can you please help me fill this form?
Okay, that's a very good information, Nikki. Next one, we going to learn for depositing money. Repeat after me, guys. First one, I want to deposit this amount. Second one, where is the deposit counter? Third one, here is my deposit slip.
Okay, Ash. Now we teach how to withdraw money. First one, I want to withdraw cash. Second one, how much I can withdraw today? And third one, do I need to sign here?
That's a great. Next topic is for updating details. First one, I want to update my phone number. Second one, my address has changed. And last one, can you update my signature?
Very good, Ash. Very good, Ash. Now we teach some check issues. Repeat after me, guys. First one, my check is not clearing. And second one, I want a new checkbook.
Now we teach to role play of cash counter. Announcement token number 45. Please proceed to the counter number 3.
That's me. Hello, sir. I want to deposit 5,000.
Please give your cash and deposit slip.
Okay, sir. Here it is.
Your deposit is complete.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now, token number 46, counter number 3.
Hello. I want to update my phone number.
Do you have the request form and ID proof?
Yes, sir. You go.
Okay, your number will be updated in 24 hours.
Great. Thank you, sir.
So now we teach when we go to meet manager. Nikki, I think I made a mistake in the form.
Don't panic, Ash. Let's talk to the manager.
Okay, good morning. How may I help you?
Sir, I made a mistake in my form. Can I correct it?
Of course. Please fill a fresh form.
Thank you, sir.
Now practice role play for listeners. Okay, listeners, now let's practice. We give a situation, you speak the line at home. Role play number one, depositing money. Hello, how can I help you?
I want to deposit my money.
Role play two, update phone number.
What do you want to update?
I want to update my phone number. Role play three, meeting manager.
I made a mistake in my form.
Okay, no problem. You can change your form.
Sir, when will my phone number be active?
Usually within 24 hours, but sometimes earlier.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, guys, we learn real life tips plus fun talk. Ash, what's your number one trip for going to the bank?
Carry a pen always.
Yes, and always keep extra photocopies of your documents. Otherwise, madam, please bring a photocopy
And go early if you want less crowd.
and drink water before you go. Long queue can be tiring.
And that is our long full episode on English conversation at the bank. We hope
You learn new words and feel confident for your next bank visit.
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel
Learn
Learn
English
English
together.
Together.